Whether you're a first-time cruiser or you cruise all the time like I do, this cruise kit's for you. This cruise kit has so many items, I just love it. In this review, what I'm going to do is go over every item and tell you how I use these when I'm on a cruise to make my life that much easier. So we've got a power strip here, which I really like. We've got 3 standard outlets here. We've also got 2 USB-A, a Type-C, and we've also got a button here. So when you plug it in, it's going to light up. But when you click it, you can actually turn everything off so that when you leave your room during the day and you're having fun, you can just turn everything off real easily. Now, what's important about these is that most of the cabins that I've been in, they typically have 2 or 3 different outlets. And one of those outlets is usually for a European plug, so you can't even use this in there. So that's why it's really important to have some additional outlets. So we've got 2 phone pouches here. So whether you're out on the Lido deck by the pool or you're on the beach enjoying some sand and sun time, you want to go ahead and keep your phone in here. Now what I love about these is that besides just keeping your phone free from the sand, you can take this underwater and take any underwater shots too. So it also comes with the lanyard, of course, that you can put around your neck. We've got 2 clips here to go ahead and secure everything. And if you don't want to use the lanyard at this time with this, you can use it with some other items in the group too. So we do have 4 luggage tags. Typically you're going to print your luggage tags out and then just staple them around the handle to your suitcase. And you're hoping that when you drop them off at the cruise line, the tag's not going to get ripped off before it actually gets up to your room. So this is great for going ahead and putting your luggage tag in here. It also comes with a little steel cord. And what it does, I like this, is that it just connects to the end of that. That is not going to fall off, and your luggage tag is going to be nice and secure. So we've got 2 room key holders. These are nice thick vinyl. It does have more like a Ziploc right here to go ahead and close that. It's a lot easier to put your room key in here instead of put it in your pocket where it could fall out. And also when you're getting off the ship, you can put in maybe some identification like a driver's license and a credit card in here also. It also comes with 2 lanyards here, so you can take this in right here and just clip it around your room key. And when you want to take it off your neck easily, just use the room key. You can just go ahead and pull that off. It just snaps right on. And this material is just nice and soft, and it's actually pretty thick too. So we also have 2 towel bands. When you're out on the pool deck or out by the beach and the wind's blowing, you don't want your towel blowing away. So you can easily just kind of stretch this over the end of the lounger, the chair, and it's going to hold your towel. So I really do appreciate the brand sending me all this so I can show this to you. And we also have 5 magnets here. I mean, they're actually pretty strong here. What I'll do when I get into my room is I'll just pick a few spots around my room and put these on the walls to hang all those small items like my towels, my hats, and my jackets. This kit has everything that you need to make your life easier when you're on a cruise so you can have that much more fun. Hope you found this review helpful.